guys, welcome. I'm never centered, but okay. Welcome back to another video. I don't have any makeup on, which is pretty normal for me. But I wanted to get back into unboxings and some things like that. And if you've watched my channel from a couple years ago, you know I used to do a lot of unboxings. I used to be subscribed to just basically almost every makeup subscription box. I've done Birchbox, I've done Ipsy, I've done Glossybox, I've done Elf, I've done Sephora, I've done Allure. And some of these I've done all at the same time. And then I just got so overwhelmed with all the products I was getting that I stopped them all. Now, I also did a clothing unboxing, Nadine West, which I really loved because it was very inexpensive. But I wanted to try, I haven't done Nadine West in a while. I haven't gotten anything from them. But I'm trying another box, another clothing box. This is called Dia&Co. And it's for curvier people. Like, I'm curvier than I'm consider a curvier girl, so I want to try it. Now the only thing is, I'm afraid of that if they send me any shirts, that the shirts will probably be a little bit too big for me. The bottoms might fit though, and the reason why I want to try this is because I started a new internship position. It's an unpaid internship. I'll be doing it for about a year or until I acquire my 500 client hours. It's for my second master's degree, which is in marital family therapy. So, and I need a new work clothes for that. So I'm going to open this. You're not going to be able to see me open this, but I actually just got back from doing my internship, so everybody's super curious to find out what's in this box. It's like reading right here. Already smelling it. Has his nose in it. Always thinks it's for him. Okay, so first thing is the return package, and of course he's gonna try to eat it. It's not what you think it is. He loves bubble wrap. He actually likes to pop the bubble wrap. But this is just the return envelope, so I'm gonna put that aside. Then we have the card. And it's basically saying thank you. There's it's a welcome. There's a little welcome note in here. And holy crap. This stuff is expensive. Like, if I were to keep everything in this box, I would be paying $229. Yeah, well, yeah, so I won't be keeping them. I don't know. I don't know about this. I can't afford these guys. Holy smokes. Yeah, if there's something I really, really want, then maybe I'll consider keeping it, but oh gosh, I think I might go back to Nadine West, because everything's over $50 in this box, and I don't got that kind of money. It is not in my budget. So this dress is super cute, and this is, of course, it would be after the initial $20 styling fee. They'll be taken out. Oh, this is super cute. It's an extra large dress. Oh, I don't wear extra large though. This is it's super cute, super pretty. I like it, but I don't wear extra large. I only wear large, so I would have to try it on. But honestly, guys, it looks a little bit too big, so we will see. I do like the dress, though. It feels great. I love the pattern and the color. Next thing on here is this super cute shirt. I don't know what this is, but this is super cute. It looks super big, though. I don't know. I think it's supposed to be like an off-the-shoulder type thing. Yeah, that's super cute. Good. I don't know if I can keep any of this. Oh, what is this? Another shirt. I don't wear sleeveless, so super cute. Again, this looks really big. So, I mean, but I do like loose-fitting shirts, so I don't wear sleeveless, so that might come back. These are cute shorts. These might fit me. They look big also. I don't know, guys. This isn't going too well. The last item in here are these. Ooh, I like these. These I might keep. I'm gonna have to try everything on to know exactly how it fits and whether I want to. I probably don't want to continue because honestly, it's all expensive. But I might just figure out what fits me, if anything fits me, and just yeah, try and maybe keep one thing. But I like these pants though. I don't have any jeans. This is like a denim material jeans, like this color. So yeah, so that's everything that's in this Dia&Co box, and this is my first box, and it's probably gonna be my last because it's just way too much money. But I must tell you, they do have cute stuff. So if you're a curvier girl that has trouble finding cute clothes that are, I would say, a size 14 and up, this might work for you, especially if you could afford these prices. I can't. So yeah, that's all I got to say. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.